Right, I want to show you a little bit around the blog site itself, but not behind this administration area. If you want to go straight back to the website, you simply click this area here, which says Mills and Hills. I often right-click and choose Open a New tab. Let me show you what we have here. There is a difference between posts and pages, which are quite crucial, really. First of all, we got the home area. This is the default that everybody comes to when they just type in the URL millsandhills.com or whatever URL you're using for that matter. If anybody ever clicks home, they will always come to this page, which is highlighted with the word home on it. Okay. Every page of this particular blog looks about the same. I've got a logo here, and this calendar here is updated via the Google system, which I've highlighted on some other instructions elsewhere. The second thing, this is a particular indexing that we brought up using a plugin. Again, I'm not going to tell you how to do that because you don't really need to know. But the home is the first page. The second one is the blog area itself, and I will detail what that actually does and the difference. The blog actually is posts. All right, so this is the area where all the posts appear. Everywhere else, these are all pages. This is the posts area. That's key for knowing how it works later on. Okay. We've also installed onto this is Join Us in Prayer area, so we've called it Join Us in Prayer, and on here we have an automated Google Calendar. Alright, so if ever you add things to the Google Calendar, then they will appear here. This is called the main calendar area. The sidebar calendar appears over here, although in Google they're all on the same thing. Moving over, we have people. It lists who the different people are, and we've got resources. So again, this is more sort of like categories, and it'll list out the different resources that we have available. So you'll want to be adding things into here to be able to link across to the various resource areas and the categories. Then we have training, which again should hopefully be offered in the local area, it said. So we'll be setting some things up like that. And we've got on the particular blog, Northwest Holidays. Contact, there's a contact form, which again is there. So if you just put in, the users put in their details here, hit enter, submit rather down the bottom, and it immediately sends you the details. And links, this is the links page I was telling you about. And again, we haven't got anything actually on the links page at the moment, but as soon as you do start adding stuff to the links page, then you can get rid of this area here, which is the example of WordPress page, and basically you get links. Right, okay, back to the blog. This is important. Whenever you submit a post, which you will do in the area, then you end up with these different, in the administration area, you end up with, this is quite a mini post, but you end up with quite big ones. Each post exists on its own page. Here we are. This is this post page. If you can hear a beeping, that's my bread maker finished. And if you have a look at the URL up here, it says millsandhills.com/explore-faith. This area here also says explore faith, and what you'll find is whatever title you give the post, it automatically creates the URL up here. Try not to fiddle with it, try and leave it as it is, because just recently I've noticed I've had all sorts of problems because I've gone and changed this title and not changed this title, and it's added all sorts of horrible code to the blog. So please don't change it. We have different areas. It says here filed under Bible engagement, resources and outreach. Bible engagement, resources and outreach are what's called category pages. So if you click here, you'll see everything that's been put into the Bible engagement category, as you see here. And so these are the posts in the Bible engagement category: explore faith, advent calendar to download, and unprecedented demand for essential 100. So they are your category pages. Right? You then have tags, which is Christian outreach, explore faith, outreach. You can tick one of those, and again it'll take you through to a page which actually has been tagged with those words. There is a difference between tags and categories, which I will show you what they are. All of these links here, resources, people, church, word here again, explore faith. These are all called links, and you use text links or anchor links to link to other pages. I will show you how links are created in another video. These particular links are actually done automatically by the computer system, so that when you click it, it will take you straight through to the page which says resources again. Take a moment for it to load through. Here we are. So you've got resources, and then what you'll do is you'll get all of these different. This takes you back to the category page of resources, and there should be other things appearing down here of resources. All right. So that gives you an overview of what this blog looks like.